Welcome to Savvypreneurship, where we also explore the finer points of luxury entrepreneurship. In this episode, I'm diving into the world of ultra premium olive oil, the liquid gold of the Mediterranean. I will share the tactics to successfully marketing and selling a bottle of liquid gastronomy. So let's get on with it. Selling ultra premium olive oil isn't just about the product. It's about selling an experience, a journey to the sun kissed hills of Tuscany or the idyllic landscapes of Greece. To excel in this niche market, you need to master the art of storytelling and evoke emotions that resonate with your target audience. There is everyday mainstream extra virgin olive oil. Then there are high end varieties that can cost as much as $80 to hundreds of dollars for a 100 ml or a 3 fluid ounce bottle. Like fine wine, artisanal chocolate, and fleur de sel, this healthy food staple has joined the rarefied ranks of luxury food items. The way in which this subcategory is produced is that the olives are picked from century old olive trees to just before they are ripe, make for a less acidic and more fruity and pungent end result. Moreover, instead of lying around in sacks before being pressed, they are crushed and bottled immediately, minimizing exposure to air, light, and heat, which keeps them from going rancid and musty. These varieties aren't meant solely for dripping on salads, but can be much treasured from a spoonful to fully appreciate their flavor and using them to elevate dishes similar to a shaving of white truffles or a lump of caviar. Selling ultra premium oil isn't just about selling a condiment, it's about selling a lifestyle of indulgence and refinement. By positioning your brand as the essence of luxury and sophistication, you can attract discerning consumers who are willing to pay a premium for the finest culinary experiences. The key to successfully marketing and selling ultra premium olive oil lies in highlighting its unique qualities and artisanal craftsmanship. From the moment the customer lays eyes on the bottle to the first taste of its exquisite flavor, every aspect of the experience must exude luxury and sophistication. Here are some key strategies applied for marketing and selling ultra premium artisanal luxury olive oil. 1. Leverage mythology and exclusivity. Incorporate mythological elements, symbols, and narratives into the branding and marketing of the olive oil to imbue it with a sense of prestige, mystery, and exclusivity. This can tap into the deep cultural and psychological connotations that myths hold for consumers. This approach is also known as myth based marketing. Emphasize limited availability and craftsmanship. Position the olive oil as a limited production artisanal product that is meticulously crafted using traditional methods and high quality ingredients. Highlight the care and attention to detail that goes into every bottle. Partner with influential figures in prestigious venues. Collaborate with celebrity chefs, luxury hotels, and other high end establishments to associate the olive oil with the prestige and exclusivity. Furthermore, building strong partnerships with gourmet retailers, upscale restaurants, and luxury food influencers is essential for reaching your target audience and establishing your brand as a leader in the ultra premium olive oil market. Utilize captivating visuals and packaging. Attention to detail is paramount in marketing ultra premium olive oil. From the elegant packaging design to the carefully crafted messaging, every element of your marketing strategy should reflect the superior quality and exclusivity of your product. Design the packaging, labeling, and visual presentation of the olive oil to reflect its luxury status. Use premium materials, unique shapes, and elegant aesthetics to make the product feel like a work of art. Leverage digital and social media marketing. Create engaging content such as videos and images that showcase the olive oil's production process, awards, and endorsements. Utilize digital platforms to reach a wider audience of discerning consumers. Offer exceptional customer experience. Provide a premium, personalized customer experience, whether through in store tastings, online ordering, or dedicated customer service. This can help build brand loyalty and justify the higher price point. And finally, emphasize the product's provenance and heritage. Highlight the olive oil's origins, the history of the brand, and the expertise of the producers. This can add authenticity and cultural significance to the product. Marketing and selling ultra premium olive oil requires more than just a product. It requires a passion for excellence, a commitment to quality, and a deep understanding of the luxury market. By implementing the recommended strategies, luxury olive oil niche brands can effectively market and sell their premium products to a discerning, affluent consumer base that values exclusivity, quality, and the emotional resonance of mythological storytelling through myth based marketing. Thanks for watching. I trust you enjoyed this segment. To help me grow this channel, kindly like and share this video, as well as subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay savvy.